In today's day and age, women juggling multiple professional tasks and making time for their professional life and family are not a new phenomena. They exist among ordinary people like us and even in the celebrity world. Among those empowering celebrities is Elisa Gale Ritter, a mom, a wife, but also an essential figure in the American television world. Elisa Gale Ritter, now 64 years old, is an American television and a music producer who is mostly known for being the ex-wife of her famous partner Narvel Blackstock. This blue-eyed beauty is also known for being the mother-in-law of the renowned superstar Kelly Clarkson. Elisa Gale Ritter was born on January 6, 1956 in Tarrant County, Texas. She is an American woman whose ethnic background is Caucasian white. Elisa Gale Ritter has always been private about her life. The names of her parents or whereabouts of her sibling, if any, are not known yet to the media. Elisa married Narvel Blackstock on March 30, 1973, at the age of just 17. Shortly after her marriage, she got pregnant with her first child. Her early marriage and the timing of her giving birth to the first child raised speculations that she hasn't completed her higher education and hasn't graduated. The red-haired American producer is a fan of Italian cuisine, and we can't agree with her more because we all know it is deliciosa. Elisa also loves to read novels whenever she is off work. The 5 feet 8 inch tall beauty's star sign is Capricorn, and she is every bit of Capricorn as one can be. Although she isn't active on social media, we can sense that she is a complete powerhouse. Most of the people having Capricorn as their star signs are full of wisdom, resourcefulness, and usually make others become daunted by their strong personalities. Through these traits, we can understand how much of a Capricorn she is. Elisa supported her husband Narvel through thick and thin from her teenage. We can fully comprehend what it took for her to establish Narvel and herself as one of the most successful television producers and managers of a successful music company. On top of establishing her and her husband's name on the chart of fame, she raised her kids to be successful and have a happy life post her divorce from Narvel. This shows how much of a strong woman she is. Her preferences over fashion brands, styles, or her favorite movies and songs are not known. There is no information on whether she liked sports or any sports teams. As mentioned above, Elisa Gale Ritter tied the knot with her lover Narvel Blackstock on March 30, 1973, at the young age of 17. The whereabouts of their venue and the total cost is not known. Elisa and Narvel had a beautiful married life, and in the same year of marriage, she gave birth to her first child. Elisa and Narvel have 3 children, 2 daughters and a son. Sean Reen Blackstock, born in 1973, Brandon Blackstock, born in 1976, and Chastity Celeste Blackstock, born in 1978. On the first year of marriage and children along the way, Elisa and Narvel scuffled between temporary jobs. However, there is no drastic rumor concerning this couple while they were together. Their relationship took a bad turn after 15 years of marriage. Elisa and Narvel got divorced on March 31, 1988. It is said that she got a substantial amount as a divorce settlement from her husband, as they shared 3 children. The information about the exact amount is unknown. The real reason hasn't been disclosed. However, it is rumored that Narvel's busy schedule was the real reason. Narvel Blackstock's line of career involved a lot of traveling since he was a steel guitar player. He was also a manager of Reba McEntire's music band before he became a television producer. He is also a manager to now Hollywood's hottest musicians like Kelly Clarkson, Blake Shelton, and Linda Davis. The busy schedule created a void in the relationship, and the bond ended up becoming weaker and weaker every day. Interestingly, Narvel Blackstock tied the knot with Reba McEntire soon after a year of divorce with Elisa Gale Ritter. Reba McEntire is a famous American country singer, songwriter, and actress. Narvel was a guitarist in her music band, and he was also her manager. This led to assumptions on whether if Narvel had an affair with Reba while being married to Elisa. Narvel and Reba have a son, Shelby Stephen McIntyre Blackstock. Sadly, the couple called it quit in 2015, and now Narvel is in a relationship with Nashville-based real estate agent Laura Putty Stroud. Interestingly enough, Laura happens to be a very good friend with Reba McIntyre too. Talk about gossip here. Elisa Gilruth is now married to a handsome man, Daniel Gilbert. The couple seems to be enjoying their life happily. Elisa Gilbert is happy and content with the man in his life. Elisa Gilruth was neither from an entertainment background nor privileged. She was married at a very early age and had kids. While working for temporary jobs, she assisted her husband in his paintings. She later swooped her way into the world of entertainment, glamour, and wealth after getting a significant breakthrough from her famous American television producer husband, Narvel. She has produced American television shows and movies alongside her husband. She also worked as a music producer and was active in the music business alongside her husband. Talk about the versatility of this woman. Elisa Gilruth is believed to be worth $15 million. It is also expected that she gained a substantial amount on her divorce settlement as emotional support from her husband. Up till now, neither has she been awarded any titles nor has she been involved in any controversies. She has successfully maintained her life in private. Elisa has 3 children with Narvel Blackstock, 2 daughters and a son, Shawnreen Blackstock. Shauna is her first child, born in 1973. She is now 47 years old and is happily married. She works as a hairstylist at Elite Studios Salon and Suites. Brandon is her second child, born in 1976. He is a talent manager with a net worth of $5 million. He is married to Kelly Clarkson, an American songwriter, actress, author, and television personality. They have 2 children together, River Rose Blackstock and Remington Alexander Blackstock. He also shares 2 more children with his former wife, Melissa Ashworth. Their names are Savannah Blackstock and Seth Blackstock. Chastity Celeste Blackstock. Chastity is the youngest of Elisa's children. She was born in 1978, now 42 years old. She is also married and has 2 children. There is no information on where she is working or what more she is doing. Elisa Gilruth has a FB account with the name Elisa Gilbert. There is often a misconception about how a woman can't juggle multiple roles, but Elisa Gilruth is the woman who obliterated this view. She married for love and had kids at a young age, yet she helped herself and her husband build a living for themselves. She worked hard to make her name on the tinsel world as an American television producer and a music producer while taking care of her kids. We can say that Elisa Gilruth is not just the woman who supported her husband through thick and thin while being the single mother raising all of her 3 children to stand up on their feet, but also a figure of women empowerment who screams that women can be many things at once and there is nothing we can't do. And that is what all we should live by. A lot of blogs who are covering the celebrities unfortunately do not spend enough time researching them. They have used Reba's photo claiming it to be of Elisa Gilruth. Reba McIntyre is also not her look-alike. Reba and Elisa are 2 different individuals, and the only thing common between them is that both are ex-wives of an American television producer, Narvel Blackstock. Elisa Gilruth is the first wife of Narvel. She is an American television producer like her husband and is a mother to Chastity, Shauna, and Brandon Blackstock. Elisa Gilruth is married to Daniel Gilbert now, and they seem to be happy. I hope you guys are clear about Elisa and Reba. And if you're looking for more information on your favorite celebrities, visit our website readandfix.com. Thank you.